Hi everyone, welcome to Thursday, and like we do every Thursday, we do a share and review. So today I'm going to take it Oceania Healthcare and just run my eye over that and see how it's performing. Hey, if you would like me to do a review on a share that you're perhaps interested in or just want to see what my thoughts are, then by all means let me know. I've had people come back with shares that they'd like me to take a look at, and it's great. It's great being able to do that and add some value and that to your own share trading journey. It doesn't matter if it's not on the main board. I just like to look at the main board ones. It's simply because these are the shares that I look at when I do my own research and that for any opportunities. So without further ado, we'll jump across, but I just quickly need to do the disclaimer, which is obviously this is for educational purposes only. It's certainly not intended to be personal advice or financial advice of any kind. If you're looking to get anything that's tailored specific to you, you do need to go and talk to your own financial advisor. So I'll just share my screen. Okay, so you can see here I've got Oceania Healthcare on the screen there, and looking at that, we can easily see that it is in a downtrend. I'm just going to put over the moving average. If you're not sure which way a share is trading, you can always go on and use a 200 period moving average. And you can see here, it is well below that. It's trading well below. Let's just take it right out to the maximum. So it only started giving me an average here about February 2021. But yeah, the market's been trading well below that. Whoops, do that. So we can see that Oceania Healthcare hit a high of about $1.60, and that was in January 2001. Obviously, it did have a bit of a sell-off and rebounded, but then basically it's been trading down ever since September 2021. Why that is, I've got no idea. Okay, it is what it is. So let's just go back to the 2-year period. And I'll just change that moving average. I'll just put our normal ones on, being our 30. And again, I'll change that to an exponential. And I will put on a 15 as well. Right. Basically it's in a downtrend. I think there's nothing more to say really. It crossed the moving averages, did cross. So that was when the 15 week moving average crossed below the 30, and that happened in October 2021. And since then, it has just been trading down. Okay, it's been trading below both of these moving averages, and there sort of doesn't look to be a lot of action happening at all. There's also very little volume happening on this share as well. So I've lost it, but you can see down here by the bottom of these bar charts or these candlestick charts, there's very, very little volume. Okay, so it's just really meaning nothing for me. It's certainly not a share I would want to be buying into. I mean, there are people out there that like to try and pick bottoms. That's not my style. I like to follow the path of least resistance, which is if a share's in an uptrend, then hey, all probability it could continue. It's not guaranteed, of course, but that's the sort of share that I want to be looking for. So we'll just take this off and we'll just make a comparison of the the New Zealand Stock Exchange. And so this blue line at the top here is the New Zealand Stock Exchange, and really no surprises. So Oceania Healthcare has been trending down, like I said, and for this example, it actually happened in in about August 2022 was when Oceania fell below the performance of our main board and has been a laggard on that ever since. Really, you can see there's just quite a big divergence. It's down about 39.5% off where the main board is, which is down about 0.4%. So nothing really to report there on Oceania. Sorry for those people that do hold Oceania. I did also take a note that the last time they paid a dividend, I'll just go back and have a quick look, and that was June last year. It hasn't paid a dividend since then. That could be an indication of where things are headed. Who knows? It could also be a very good decision of the board or the executives there to obviously reinvest any potential profits. Not sure if they're making profits. I don't tend to look at the financials. I just look at the charts only to get an idea as to where it's trading. So yeah, I hope you're getting some value out of this. Remember, if you'd like me to do a review for a share that you're perhaps interested in, by all means, send me a message and I'm happy to do that for you. And if you want to jump across and try out my share trading signals, like I said earlier in the week, you've got 30 days free trial. It'd be lovely to see what you think. There are a number of people that have subscribed already and they're getting value out of it. So I'd just love to see what you think as well. Until next week, have a great time. Thanks.